Natural gas continues to grind to the upside during early Wednesday. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNS, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The natural gas markets have rallied a bit during the early hours here on Wednesday again as we continue to break to the upside. We have, as of last Friday, jumped into the November contract, and the result, of course, is that we have seen the idea of demand being priced back into the market. This is a market that has been very strong, and I do think it makes a certain amount of sense that it is a market that you can't short. Not anymore, especially considering that we are now talking about November pricing. Natural gas demand will pick up with those colder temperatures in the United States and Europe. So I have flipped from a selling trader to a buying trader when it comes to this market. However, we are a little overdone. I don't necessarily want to chase the price of natural gas all the way up here. So I think a short-term pullback is likely to be a major trigger to get involved in this market. The 200-day EMA is at the $3.22 level, and the 50-day EMA is at the $3.07 level. Furthermore, we do have that gap from the changeover into this contract that could send this market all the way down to $2.90 or so. So in other words, I do think a pullback is necessary. If you're not already in this market, you're probably waiting for it, and then a bounce to tell you it's time to get involved. However, to the upside, I still see the $3.60 level as very possible, as well as the $4 level. I certainly won't be shorting natural gas, at least not for several months, but now I'm just looking for a little bit of value that I can take advantage of. My name's Chris. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more analysis.